As a vegan pastry chef, I'm always looking for ways I can adapt ingredients for my plant-based recipes. Almond butter is a great ingredient to use in confections. It provides a fabulous nutty flavor, a silky mouthfeel, and a rich body, and can sometimes be used in place of dairy products. Welcome to the Almond Butter and Chocolate Masterclass series, a collaboration between the Almond Board of California and the Culinary Institute of America. I'm Anissa Dann, and I work at the Culinary Institute of America's Copia campus in Northern California, and I'm the chef-owner of Wicked Good Plants, a vegan pastry business here in the Napa Valley. Today I'll be showing you how to make a double-decker fudge with candied almonds. This recipe brings back some favorite memories from my childhood in Maine. My family and I spent many fall seasons at an apple orchard near my house that made fresh fudge on the property. Decadent and rich, fudge is the essence of New England confections. This plant-based version still has the rich mouthfeel of a traditional double-decker fudge with a layer of chocolate fudge underneath and almond butter fudge. Let's take a look at the almond butter fudge. Here I have a cooked sugar mixture, which is the basis of all fudges and only alters from the original with the use of coconut milk. I've combined coconut milk with sugar, maple syrup, and corn syrup, which helps prevent crystallization. This needs to reach 235 to 240 degrees, then cool to 115 degrees. When the correct temperature is reached, add the almond butter, oil, salt, and vanilla mixture into the sugar to help crystallization to start and lower the temperature. Once it has, steadily mix the fudge until the texture thickens and it looks more matte than shiny. For this recipe, I'm using a smooth roasted almond butter. I prefer using a roasted version, especially when making my own almond butter, because the roasting process releases the natural oils within the almonds, which makes blending easier, but also creates a toastier, nuttier flavor. You'll find that making fudge is a bit of a learning process, and temperature and agitation will affect the overall texture of the final result, so don't be afraid to experiment with both. Here I have some vegan chocolate fudge that I made by swapping out the whole milk and butter with coconut milk and coconut oil. I have allowed this to set for about an hour. Spread the almond butter fudge mixture on top of the already set chocolate fudge, and allow this to set for another 2 to 3 hours before portioning. We're seeing plant-based confections become increasingly popular, and customers want their sweets to do more for them. Almonds have been a staple for me when creating unique confections and pastries, not to mention they carry an abundance of health properties. The almond butter fudge in this recipe gives a beautiful creamy texture without any dairy and adds another layer of decadence to my vegan fudge. Often, consumers are drawn to plant-based options because of the nutritional attributes the ingredients offer. Almonds in their many forms are like a triple threat in vegan confections, helping you achieve desired textures, flavors, and health benefits. For those of us making vegan pastries and confections, achieving the right mouthfeel and texture is key. Almonds have a fantastic texture and flavor, and the healthy fats they possess make them a great plant-based substitute, especially in replicating the creaminess of dairy. Next time you're developing a plant-based chocolate recipe, try using almond butter. The natural butteriness in the almonds carries through into their other forms, making them ideal for creating a silky texture and are a fantastic way to add creaminess while maintaining a delicious taste that elevates other flavors in your creations. Because almonds are nutrient-packed, they're a great way to create confections that do more than just taste good, but have all natural ingredients as well. And to garnish, I have placed some candied almonds on top with a bit of glucose to add a nice crunch to the silky confection. Of course, chocolate and almond butter are a perfect pair, and this double-decker fudge is such a delicious bite of both. Next time you're creating a vegan confection, I hope this recipe has inspired you to use almond butter for a luxurious, plant-based bite filled with texture and flavor.